Hello everyone, this video is to show you the full auto trade execution capability of Ultimate Alpha 3, our latest and greatest pair trade finding platform. So PTF UA3, I was at a loss of how to make a video about the full auto trade function. And why is that? Because, well, when it's on full auto trade, it's essentially a hedge fund in a box. And we have it sitting on a VM. Right now it's linked to a simulated trading account at IB. And it is running a watch list of 100 pairs or 75 pairs, and it is trading automatically. So what do you see in full auto trade when that happens if you're not on your VM? Well, essentially, you'll get a couple of emails, and I want to go through these ones. So we got these on 30th of October at 7:08 p.m. At the computer where they were received. And one was an enter trade, another was an exit trade. And what happens? Well, for the enter trade, it was AEM FNV, and it was to buy long 46 units of FNV at 129.30. And as you can see, automatically, we were not in PairTrade Finder, we were not in IB, didn't even have to open the email. But if you look at the trade history, this generated at 7:08. The VM's 1 hour behind, so as it generated, it was 18:08 on the VM. Buy 46 of FNV at 129.30. We bought 46 FNV at 129.30. Sell short 125 AEM at 47.99. We sold 125 AEM at 47.99 at 18:08.20. So 20 seconds after this order generated, and in the case of FNV, 25 seconds after it generated. Then this order to exit at 7:08 p.m., limit plus limit order. So sell to close 500 units OR at 12:32. We sold 500 units OR at 12:32, 17 seconds after this order generated. And finally, buy to close 1,234 units HMY at 461 a unit. Well, we did that. We bought 1,234 HMY, bought to close at 461. However, it executed at 7:22 or 18:22 on the VM. That's 14 minutes after this was generated, and that's because it's a limit order. And so Interactive Brokers and PairTrade Finder has that working in the market, trying to get you the price that PairTrade Finder wants you to get, and it did. And it took 14 minutes, extra minutes, but it finally got that price. So that's what you'll see with full auto trade is you'll just receive emails when signals happen, and if you go into your trader workstation, you can check that everything is executed as they were meant to, and if they haven't, if some of the limit orders are still outstanding because they haven't quite hit their price, you can go in and decide whether you close that or whether you enter at the price that's available. So that's a full auto trade example.